All right, it was Borsellino, man over market, and here's the wrap up for today. So, kind of actually was right on all occasions today. I thought that we had an up bias, as you can see here. Um, Market opened up, test the bottom of value. Actually, the bottom of the low was actually the value area low. Okay, and from that point on, it was rallying. All day long. And here's our little channel that we built after the first hour, and it never, went back. Um, we were looking for pro we were looking for a high somewhere. So if you take a look at here, the high was 2098.75. We were looking for like 21 and a quarter. So shy by 200 points. Kind of slow, very slow, low volume rally again today. But I can say that we had the up bias. We called it. We said the market would be going up. Um, if you did not today, go to YouTube. I did a live session for 1 hour today, um, showing different looks at the profile, things that we look at. Here's the profile today. So you can tell it got pretty well filled in. The mode closed up at the top. This is another bullish pattern. The market actually went 2 times the IB range, made this high up here. But like I said, very low volume. People like bull market, but for trading, it becomes a very slow, monotonous, sort of uneventful because there was no one interest besides it. But um, that's why we have these other markets. So I've already put the value areas in for tomorrow. And this is the gold. We were short gold this morning, and we kind of sold it on the opening, and it kind of really didn't go anywhere, and it stayed, right about here. I got to check the systems and see how it is overnight. This is probably our least effective trade today. Um, we have crude oil. Now, this was a great trade today. This morning, pre-market, down in here. I thought the market would go and test our bull bear zone, which was down in here. And then the market just took off and rallied the rest of the day. I mean, rallied all the way up to $54. You can see here, this green area, we had a bullish bias. We nailed it on oil today, and very happy about the trade in oil today. Also, same thing with the ZB. Man, I'll tell you what, the ZB is on. Take a look. Here's the opening. All right. Here's an hour after the opening, and then it just stepped all the way down, made a low down here, 44.04, kind of rallied back, and now it's back to this area in here. We had a negative bias, as you can see here in the red. So we basically we actually caught all the markets today. We had sold the gold, sold the oil, bought the S&P, and bought the oil, bought the S&P, sold gold, sold bonds. So that was a pretty good trade today. I'm going to bring in. Make sure you go to our new YouTube channel. You can see here. All right, you should be on our new channel here. Sorry, channel. Our dashboard. We have. We're going to get to our video manager, and we've got to get to the point where, let's see, Creator Studio. Just trying to get to our channel. Okay, we've put some trading tools and stuff in here for you. Take a look. If you've been on them, we've already seen them. But in videos, you can go see the midday update. This is an hour long right here. But I did a lot of covering of how we trade, what we look for, what the setups are. So uh, this is we had over 100 people in there today, and we've already had like 69 views afterwards. So a lot of good educational stuff in here. Make sure you go to visit that. All right. All right. It was Borsellino, Man Over Market. We'll talk to you in the morning, and good luck and happy trading.